So guys, good day and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I want to teach you how you can make free BNB. You make free money, you make cool money. Just all you just need to do is just to play in box, okay, and making cool cash. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you here is how you can make this free cash. All you just need to do is to go to my referral link. Just go to my description, then you see my referral link, copy it, then you do as I said. But before that, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of watching our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop your comment in the comment section. Alright, so first thing to do is to copy your referral number. So you go to my description and copy mine. That is what you just need to do. So first, you just need to come here and click on browser. When you click on browser, it takes you here. So when it takes you here, the link you copy, you paste it here. You paste the link here. So for instance, I've copied my link, so let me paste it there for you to see. You paste it, then you search. Now you change this Ethereum sign there. You change this Ethereum sign here. Okay, you can click here to change this Ethereum sign. That is what I want to change. So you click it. When you click it, you change it to BNB Smart Chain. Change it to BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so you click on it, you see, and I'm there already. Now this is me here. All right, so first you pick from any of this box. So as I'm teaching for lecture purpose, let me pick this first one, which is about 0.00 BNB. I'm sorry. Oh, time has gone, time has elapsed. I think it's because of the time. So let's just wait. So let's just wait for that time to elapse so that we can start afresh, okay? Now this is it. Okay, so let's just play afresh. Let me go with this 0.008. So we'll see for ourselves. Let me just go with 0.008 and okay, so as I was saying, you just need to pick from the box and play, and we'll charge you from your gas fee. All right, so let's assuming that I want to pick this hash 20. That is what I picked, and I'll click on display, and it will load. So a little fee will be charged, network fee will be charged. Okay, so that is just also you click approved, and I'm verifying with my pin. So we just need to wait for 3 minutes. Okay, you click OK. So we just need to wait for this minute, and that is all. So I'll be coming back after the minutes elapse. So we'll see. So my time has elapsed. Let's just see what we make. Okay, I use 0.008. So let's see. Wow, congratulations, I made 0.0112. So you see, I'm lucky, I won. Okay, but that does not mean you win all the time, but at least you win more than losing. So that is how the game looks like, and that is how it is. So you gain more all the time. Gain more all the time. Okay, you gain more all the time. So alright guys, just ensure you subscribe, okay, to my YouTube channel. Thanks and God bless you.